With Invideo AI, transforming your creative vision into videos has never been easier. But what truly sets Invideo AI apart is its new 3.0 engine, which lets you create videos with generative AI media, making your videos stand out from the crowd. With Invideo AI, you can create videos with styles like cartoon, Lego, anime, and many others to give your content a unique twist. Another cool feature is its ability to let you create and edit videos with prompts, such as changing the language of your video with a single prompt. In this video, I'll break down the entire process of creating a video with generative AI. If you want to follow along, click the link below to start your free Invideo AI account and join me in creating. Before diving into this tutorial, I want to show you what can be achieved with kit videos, which we will learn about today. For example, here's a channel called Wooks, a kids animation channel. As you can see, their videos receive around 50,000 views. It's a very simple channel. When we take a closer look at their videos, you'll notice they use very basic animations and storylines. In today's video, I will show you how to create even better videos in just a few minutes. If you're curious about how much this channel earns, we can check out the Blade channel, which provides estimates. It shows that they earn a significant amount of money solely from YouTube ad revenue. On top of that, they also generate income through affiliate marketing, which involves selling other products. In short, this channel earns tens of thousands of dollars per month. Now, you might be wondering, how can I do this? How can I grow my own channel in such a competitive field? Don't worry, this is actually much easier with the help of AI. Let me show you how. To get started with creating videos, we can use a new tool. Simply click the link below, head to the page, and easily sign up by clicking the Sign Up button. Once you've signed up, you'll see the chat box of the platform where everything can be managed. Let me briefly explain how it works. Here, you select your model from the options provided. Initially, there was just the first model, but then they released version 2, and now they've introduced a third version specifically for media creation. This version is ideal for the animations we'll use today. The interface is very simple and user-friendly. Everything can be done from here. At the bottom, you'll also see shortcuts. If you want to use interfaces beyond prompts, there are simple tools available. For instance, when you choose Record Video, the tool takes your inputs in an easy and structured way. Similarly, if you want to create a film with the same logic, you can customize your prompt by selecting the available options. Today, I'll show you a much more original method for creating prompts. In the next section, I'll quickly demonstrate the interface. But before we move on, I'd like to point out something else. On the left, there's a section called Generative Pics, where you can find videos created with the V3 model. These can serve as inspiration for your projects. For example, look at this video. It's visually stunning and appears highly professional. By reading the prompt used to create this video, you can produce something similar. Let's check another example. For instance, continuing with animations, here's another excellent example. This video looks fantastic and professional, and the prompt used to create it is displayed here as well. I recommend using this section for inspiration. Now let's move on to the next section, where I'll show you how to create an original prompt. Now, as promised, I'll show you how to create an original video prompt. Let's target children aged 3 to 5 as an example, and ask the tool to generate animation topic ideas. Let's see what ideas it gives us. As you can see, it provides many original and varied ideas. Among these, I like the doodle style option the most, so I'll use that. I take the idea and its brief description, open a new chat, and create the following prompt. Create a short video based on this idea. As you can see, it generated a very concise prompt. Here's an important tip. You can always add more details to make your prompt better. For example, specify the video length, the type of media to be used, and other key criteria you want included. By doing this, Our original content, under a creative and unique theme, gets ready in no time. You can now use it just like that. Now that our prompt is ready, let's move on to generating our video. Using the chat box we just saw, simply copy and paste the prompt into the input box. Then click the Generate Video button. That's it. After a short while, you'll see this screen. Here you can adjust settings such as the media speed, the type of render, and the platform. Make sure to select the animation option instead of stock media, as we want to use animations generated by the tool. Once you've made your selections, click Continue to proceed. After configuring the prompt and settings, the tool will generate your video in no time. Let's see what we created.
Welcome to Doodletown Adventures, where anything is possible. Look at this blank canvas. What do you see? Let's start with a simple circle. What could it become? Wow, it's turning into a smiling face. Now let's add a square. Can you guess what it might be? It's a house, and look, more shapes are joining in. Triangles become trees, squiggles become rivers. Our doodles are coming to life. What an amazing Doodletown we've created together. Remember, with your imagination, you can bring any doodle to life. Let's explore this wonderful world of creativity.
You can launch a channel with a video like this and later add longer doodle videos, also created with this tool. As you can see, with the help of AI, we managed to produce a high-quality video in a very short time. Let's talk about the pricing of the tool. There's a free version available, which allows you to try it out and see if it suits your needs. It's a great way to get comfortable with the platform. Later, if you need more usage minutes, there are different packages available. Personally, I use the Plus package, which is quite affordable compared to other products on the market with similar features. If you opt for an annual subscription, it becomes even cheaper, around $28 per month. For a YouTube creator, this is a very reasonable and manageable cost. If you don't want to upgrade to a subscription but need extra minutes, the platform offers add-ons. For example, you can purchase generative credits for 60-second animations and use them for creating short videos like a 4-minute animation without committing to a higher subscription tier. This is a very flexible and cost-effective option. In summary, it's a high-quality tool that's budget-friendly and perfect for getting started with animation and video production. Friends, in this video, you've learned how to create a kids' animation film using AI without any prior editing skills, just by using your creativity. I think as you continue to develop yourself in this area, it's also important to learn which topics are popular on YouTube and how you can use these types of videos effectively. To explore more, feel free to visit my channel and check out other videos. I'm also new to this journey. As you can see, I've only created 27 videos so far, but I've already started earning money and growing steadily in this space. Let's learn and grow together. For your next watch, I recommend my video where I analyze top YouTube topics. I've added the link here for you.